I don't know how to open it. It's so cute. Shh. Where you going? Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I have a box opening from Gearbest. I have no idea what's in here, so I'm so excited to open this. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna like this. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing is a Galaxy Peach. It's not scented, but this is so cool. It's really slow rising. Oh. Ooh, that smells good. Look how cute that is. And it smells like blueberries. It's just like a little blue dolphin whale thing. It's foam! This is nice. And it comes in a cute little container. Squish, squish. It's really slow rising. This fell out of the box like 3 times. It's not scented, but that's really cute. And it's not super slow rising, but it's soft. And it's really cute. Karen. Okay, what's next? What is this? It's a thing. It's actually pretty cute though. Like it's slow rising and stuff. It smells like chocolate. It's not scented. It's really hard. I'm gonna put him like in my bed with me, so I can just wake up in the morning and be like, oh, it's my chicken. I'm gonna name her Chicken Nugget, and we are gonna be like best friends forever. Like, you don't even know. We're gonna go to the park every day and play in the snow and like soulmates. Oh, it smells like vanilla. Here's a little cat bun, and it's super slow rising and soft. I'm gonna name her Pink Cat. So yeah, it's my beautiful pink cat squishy. This one's actually really nice though. I like this a lot. Oh, it's a bag. Let's open it. Hebrew slime? What? Here's the front. It's a cute little rainbow bear and stuff. Whoa. It's stuck to my finger. This is so cool. That is awesome. This is like one of my favorite things I've gotten so far, and I definitely recommend this because it's like super clear and it has a couple like little beads in it and stuff. Ooh, I think it's scented. But yes, this is awesome, and I definitely recommend this. Whoa! Magnetic clay? Oh. Why are there googly eyes? Okay, so I'm not gonna open this right now because I'm on my bed and stuff and I don't wanna like ruin it. But here's a magnet that it came with. That's crazy. It comes in this little can and you can get a bunch of different colors. It's the Hebrew whale! It smells amazing. And look how cute. It's so nice and it's so cute. It just smells like sweet, fruity, amazing. But yeah, there it is. So here it is. It's super clear. It's kind of like a putty, but oh my gosh, it's so cool. And it comes in a really cute little container, and it's sealed very tightly so it won't leak all over your stuff. But I think this is awesome. Oh! It's a bath bomb. Smells good. It's a BO. Wow. You got that mayonnaise, and that bacon, and that lettuce, and some bread. Okay, so it's not very squishy, but this is like pretty realistic, I have to admit. I rate this like a 8 for realisticness. And it's like, the lettuce is so soft. It's a donut girl. What? Whoa, she smells like strawberry lime gum. So here she is. She's actually super soft and dense and stuff. Maybe the one. But yeah, there she is. She's really cool. My favorite thing I got is probably the whale because it's super soft and it smells good. The weirdest thing I got is probably my chicken or my pig, but I mean, they're cute and they're my best friends, so I mean, it's all good. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below which one you think was the coolest and weirdest and what you want to see from me next. I've also included links for all these products in the description, so make sure you check out Gearbest and all their cool squishy slime and other cool accessories. I love you guys so much. Have a good day. Bye!